Describe a place near water you enjoy.
When we think about places near water, many things can come to mind: lakes, rivers, beaches, waterfalls, even man made fountains or canals. But for this video, I'd like to share a place that's very close to my heart and one I truly enjoy visiting again and again. The place I'm talking about is a lake located just outside my city. It's called Lakeview Park, and it's about a 30-minute drive from where I live. This lake is surrounded by greenery, walking paths, and benches, and there's also a small area where people can rent pedal boats. What I love most about it is the peaceful atmosphere. As soon as you reach there, you feel like you've left the noise and stress of the city behind. I usually go there on the weekends, especially in the late afternoon. That's when the sun begins to set, and the reflection of the golden sky on the surface of the water is just breathtaking. The breeze is cool, the water looks calm, and the entire scene feels like a painting. Sometimes I go with friends or family, but other times I prefer to go alone and just sit near the edge of the lake to think, or read, or listen to music. One memory I have that stands out was during spring last year. The weather was perfect, and the flowers around the lake were blooming beautifully. I remember sitting there with a cup of tea, just watching the ducks swim slowly across the water. It was such a simple moment, but it made me feel completely relaxed and happy. From an IELTS point of view, this topic is a great opportunity to describe a place using rich and emotional language. You can talk about what you see, hear, and feel. For example, you might describe the sound of water, the color of the sky, or the feeling of the wind on your face. This kind of detail shows the examiner that you can express yourself clearly and naturally. You can also explain why you enjoy the place. In my case, it's because the lake helps me disconnect from my busy routine and reconnect with nature. I think in today's world, everyone needs a place like that, somewhere to slow down, relax, and just breathe. If you're preparing for this cue card, try to think of a real place you've been to, or even imagine one based on photos or videos you've seen. Describe where it is, what it looks like, what people usually do there, and most importantly, how it makes you feel. Don't be afraid to add emotion. This makes your answer more powerful and more memorable. So that's it for today's video. I hope this sample response gave you a clear idea of how to handle this cue card in your IELTS speaking test. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends who are also studying for IELTS, and most importantly, subscribe to Ali Trainings Official. We're committed to helping you speak English better, one video at a time. And here's something to think about as we end. Sometimes the best moments in life are the quiet ones, near calm waters, with no noise and no rush. Just like learning English, peace takes time, practice, and patience. So keep going, keep practicing, and remember, you're not alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Ali Trainings Official.